Here I have iPhone XR and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM card. So at the very beginning, let's start by switching off the device. So let's hold down together side button and volume down. Let's slide to power off. And now you need to open the slot. The slot is located right here at the right edge of the device. Let's open this slot by using some kind of the Thumper tag or special eject tool. Here I have special eject tool. Let's just open this slot. Let's remove the whole tray, and as you can see here, you can insert the Nano SIM card. So let me do it. Here I have Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put this card in that position. Alright, this is the properly inserted SIM card. Let's put the whole thing into your device. Let's press it to the end, and now it's time to switch on the phone and check out if the SIM card is working properly. So let's hold down the side button. The device is switching on. That's it. Now you can unlock the screen right here, find and select the settings, and here you can check out the mobile data settings. The device is using mobile data, so everything is alright. Here you can also choose mobile data network, and you can read the information right here. The device is also looking for the mobile network connection, so everything looks fine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.